guys, welcome! So today I'm gonna show you this super nice and comfy house. Very chill vibes, presko and sobrang relaxing yung space. From the moment you walk in, mararamdaman mo agad yung good energy ng bahay. Tara, pasok po tayo. Ayan, let's check it out. As you enter the main door, you are welcomed directly to the living area, highlighted by a large sliding glass window that brings in natural light. Ayan. Adjacent to the living space is the kitchen, which is also spacious, well ventilated, and very refreshing. Perfect for comfortable daily cooking and family meals. At the kitchen area, there is an additional sliding door that can also converted into a dirty kitchen if desired. This area offers a beautiful open view of the sky. Ayan. Making it a cool and relaxing space with plenty of potential for further improvements or customization. There. Super cool and relaxing. Yeah. Show you once more. There. There is a separate door to the side that provide direct access to the car park. Inaayos pa nila. The first floor also features a spacious bathroom and toilets with a dedicated space for a washing machine. A staircase leads to the second floor. Pero pakita ko ulit ang CR. Ayan. There. May malaki rin siyang window. Ayan. Naka-open pa yung close natin. Kasi lahat bago pa. Kakatapos lang. Fresh na fresh pa. I'm gonna show you the shower area. Here, there. Ayan. Wala pa tayong kuryente. Ayan, there. Ganda ng may mga hook na rin. Diyan yung washing machine sa baba niyan. Yes. Ayan. There. Ayan, stairs leads to the second floor. On the second floor, there, mga 13 steps. Hindi ko lang sure. Ayan, first room on the right is a small bedroom with a sliding window offering a beautiful view again. Moving forward, you will find a very comfortable and well-designed second bathroom and shower similar in style to the one on the ground floor. Here. Dito pa tayo. Sorry, ito na. Punta na tayo nga doon sa second bathroom and shower. Similar in style to the one on the ground floor. Pinaka maganda dito kasi yung window is malaki, may view tayo, no? Pero syempre lalagyan natin yung curtain na yung black curtain. Yeah, para hindi tapos may exhaust fan na din yan. There, napaka relaxing dito. Spacious nga talaga siya. Ayan. So, next are the two spacious bedroom. Next yun sa katabi. Wait, lalabas na tayo.
Beautiful CR.
Here. Dito na tayo sa spacious bedroom. Pangalawa. Both with built-in cabinets and direct access to relaxing terrace. Ayan. Meron tayo dyan window. Hindi window. Yan, window tsaka door sliding. Perfect outdoor activities. Pwedeng sitting or simply enjoying your free time. Yan yung sinasabi kong built-in cabinet. There you are. Yes. Para kung mga gamit, may lalagyan na sila. So ito yung yung sliding door. Ayan, ang ganda ng view. As in, napaka-presko dito, no? Super ito. Ito yung nakagandahan dito kasi access may access sa ayan, terrace nga. Dalawang spacious room parehong may access diyan. So, super nice. Impressive talaga. All I can say, wow. Kung ako ang bibili nito, mai-impress talaga ako. Ayan, ulitin natin. Paulit-ulit. Ayan. Yung lot area pala ng house, lot size is 100 square meters. Pero hindi halata. Parang ang laki. Kasi wala tayong inaksayang space. Talagang pinag-isipan talaga. Ayan. Ayun yung garden mo sa baba. Meron pang garden area, no? Ito yung pangalawa, galing na ba tayo? Hindi, ito. Sa pangalawang room to yung space, dalawang spacious room, Isa pa lang to. So, punta na tayo sa kabila. Let's go. Hayaan mo natin bukas para yan. Ito na. Papunta na tayo sa third spacious bedroom. Also has its own terrace access and a built-in cabinet, making it equally inviting and comfortable. Yan. There. Pasok na tayo. Tara. Ayan na po. Ayan. Diba? Pareho lang siya. Kasing laki ng isang room doon sa kabila. Yun may bintana. Eto walang bintana, pero may napaka-laking door na pwede rin buksan na lang para ma-feel yung napaka-presko. Ayan na. There you are. Ayan. Thank you. Thank you for joining us sa pag-tours dito sa bahay namin. Sa mga price is reasonable. So sa mga may gusto na bumili ng ganitong bahay na kaya ang budget, please PM me anytime. Yan. Thank you very much. See you again. Thank you. Yung yung model, Jasa, 2-story house yung model, yung pinangalan namin. Na-inspired kami ni Jasa, kaya eto na. Napaka-fresh pang bahay. Sa inyo na to. Sino may gusto? PM. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay. Salamat. God bless you all. Magandang buhay. Inulit ko lang yung yung sa kitchen, na inulit ko lang videohan. Pero isinama ko ulit dito. Kanina na-video ko na yan, pero isinama ko ulit dito sa pinakalas na video kasi sayang naman. Thank you so much again. Ayan, happy watching. Ganda ng bahay. Very we can be proud of it kasi talagang pinagsikapan na maging perfect, pinagsikapan na malinis at talagang quality. Thank you.